He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of discipline, emotional intelligence, and unmistakable creative energy, Bang Chan didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming years of sacrifice and musical passion into one of the most respected leadership stories in modern pop culture. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 3, 1997, in Seoul, South Korea, and raised in Sydney, Australia, Bang Chan's journey began far from the intense entertainment system of Seoul. Music became part of his life early on. He developed a strong interest in singing, performance, and production while growing up in Australia, gradually building the confidence and ambition that would shape his future. Encouraged by his passion for music, he auditioned for JYP Entertainment in Australia as a teenager and successfully secured a trainee position. Soon after, he made the difficult decision to move to South Korea, stepping into an unfamiliar environment and one of the industry's most demanding training systems. Years of disciplined training followed. Under JYP Entertainment, Bang Chan refined his vocals, dance ability, production skills, and stage presence while adapting to the intense expectations of the K-pop industry. His trainee period became one of the longest among fourth-generation idols, lasting nearly 7 years and shaping him into both a performer and creative leader. In 2018, he officially debuted as the leader of Stray Kids. Unlike many idol groups, Stray Kids established a strong self-produced identity from the beginning, with Bang Chan playing a major role in songwriting, production, and overall artistic direction through the production unit 3 Racha. The group's explosive energy and emotionally honest music quickly attracted international attention, positioning them among the leading names in modern K-pop. Bang Chan's influence became central to the group's identity. His balanced leadership, calm communication style, and creative involvement earned respect both inside and outside the industry. Whether performing high-intensity tracks or producing emotionally reflective songs, he consistently demonstrated versatility and artistic control. As Stray Kids expanded globally through chart-topping albums, sold-out world tours, and massive streaming success, Bang Chan emerged as one of the most recognizable leaders of his generation. International audiences connected with his openness, resilience, and strong sense of responsibility toward both fans and fellow members. By 2026, Bang Chan is regarded as a versatile global performer and producer. Industry professionals recognize his ability to balance leadership with artistry. Audiences admire his sincerity and work ethic, and brands increasingly view him as an influential cultural figure. His career reflects long-term strategy, creative independence, and sustained growth. Offstage, his lifestyle combines structure with authenticity. He maintains a demanding routine centered around studio work, physical fitness, rehearsals, and creative development. Music production continues to occupy a major part of his daily life, often extending late into the night as he works on future projects and ideas. His fashion presence mirrors his artistic personality. Bang Chan is known for blending relaxed streetwear aesthetics with sharp modern styling, creating a look that feels confident yet approachable. Whether appearing at concerts, public events, or casual live streams, he projects a grounded charisma that feels natural rather than overly curated. While public curiosity often surrounds his personal life, he remains measured about what he reveals. He consistently keeps focus on music, teamwork, and artistic progress. Within the industry, he is frequently described as dependable, hardworking, and deeply committed to supporting the people around him. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, music production, album sales, endorsements, and international collaborations. Beyond financial achievement, he has built strong credibility as both an idol and a creator actively shaping the sound and direction of his group. What many find compelling is his emotional transparency. Bang Chan speaks openly about pressure, exhaustion, self-growth, and the realities of leadership, channeling those experiences into both music and communication with fans. This honesty quietly defines his connection with audiences worldwide. Bang Chan's journey is marked by persistence rather than shortcuts. From a trainee living far from home to the leader of one of the world's most successful K-pop groups, his rise reflects discipline, sacrifice, and unwavering dedication to music. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern international stardom, focused, resilient, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her presence always felt quietly commanding. With a rare balance of elegance, composure, and understated strength, Jisoo didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. She cultivated a refined identity, transforming patience and persistence into one of the most recognizable faces in modern pop culture. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on January 3, 1995, in South Korea, Jisoo began her journey far from global stages and luxury fashion houses. Growing up, she displayed a natural curiosity for performance and storytelling. Before stepping into the music industry, she explored acting and school activities that strengthened her confidence in front of audiences. In 2011, she joined YG Entertainment as a trainee, entering a demanding system that would test endurance, adaptability, and emotional control. Years of disciplined training followed. Under YG Entertainment's structured environment, she refined her vocal stability, dance precision, and camera presence. Progress came steadily rather than instantly, shaping her reputation as resilient and quietly determined. In 2016, she officially debuted as the lead vocalist and visual of BLACKPINK. The group's explosive debut rapidly positioned them as a global force, and Jisoo's poised aura became a defining visual anchor within the team. Her voice, clear and warm, added balance to BLACKPINK's powerful sound. Whether in high-energy tracks or softer melodic moments, she brought emotional steadiness that grounded the group's dynamic contrasts. As BLACKPINK expanded internationally, headlining festivals and dominating global charts, Jisoo emerged as a symbol of classic elegance within a fast-moving industry. Her solo chapter marked another milestone. In 2023, she released her single album, Me, with the lead track, Flower, achieving strong commercial success. The minimalist concept emphasized subtle confidence and graceful control, reinforcing her individuality beyond group promotions. Rather than relying solely on collective momentum, she demonstrated measured artistic independence. Beyond music, she expanded into acting. In 2021, she took on a leading role in the television drama Snowdrop, introducing audiences to a more dramatic and emotionally layered side of her talent. The role strengthened her versatility, positioning her as both idol and actress within South Korea's entertainment landscape. By 2026, Jisoo is regarded as a multifaceted global figure. Industry observers note her composure and brand alignment. Audiences connect with her approachable warmth, and luxury fashion houses view her as a timeless ambassador. Her career reflects steady expansion, balancing group achievements, solo releases, and acting projects with careful strategy. Offstage, her lifestyle combines structure with simplicity. She maintains a disciplined routine centered on rehearsals, filming schedules, and brand commitments, while preserving private time away from constant exposure. Creative growth remains central to her focus, whether through music development or screen roles. Her fashion presence mirrors her refined persona. Closely associated with Dior, she frequently appears at international fashion weeks and global campaigns. Her classic features and composed demeanor allow her to transition seamlessly between concert stages and couture events. While public curiosity often surrounds her personal life, she remains selective about what she shares. She consistently redirects attention toward professional growth and creative exploration. Within the industry, she is described as steady, thoughtful, and quietly ambitious. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, album sales, acting roles, endorsements, and long-term luxury partnerships. Beyond financial success, she has secured enduring credibility and cultural influence. What many find compelling is her restraint. In an era defined by speed and spectacle, she moves with intention. Her calm confidence and measured evolution quietly define her longevity. Jisoo's journey is defined by patience rather than haste. From trainee years to international recognition, her rise reflects resilience, grace, and strategic growth. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of modern global stardom, refined, composed, and built to last. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.